DIVELUX. We're going to try this out here at Hanauma Bay in Oahu. So let's open this up and let's see how this works. It comes in this drawstring pouch, and I'm going to review here the DIVELUX. Inside here we've got the instructions. Okay, we've got this must be the portion that connects. Here we've got the actual mask itself, and it's got a couple of attachments. Oh, it's even got an attachment for a GoPro on the top. So that's kind of neat. So here we've got the mask itself. Connect that part there. This is the portion that connects, I guess, for the GoPro piece. All right. Okay, let's see it.
I need water.
You need water?
Okay. Oops. Okay, hold your head still. I'm gonna try pulling these.
Okay. So what we're doing is we're going like, looks like it goes right there. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you breathe through these in here. Has these channels inside where your air comes out here. So when you're face down,
Is it tight enough already?
then this is up above out of the water, I assume.
Used to it.
Okay.
What?
Like that. So it's creating a suction around here. Can you even hear me?
Are you okay though?
Creating a suction around here. And
We've never used them, so.
Claustrophobia?
That's what she's like, yeah.
Yeah, just breathe slowly. Breathe slowly. Yeah, it's one of those things you gotta talk yourself down.
Yeah.
it's here already kind of clogged up.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put it on, and we're gonna actually go snorkeling in Hanauma Bay.
Okay.
Okay, so just finished up using the DIVELUX all-face snorkel here at Hanauma Bay, and yeah, it worked pretty well. Not that it took just a little bit of getting used to, just knowing that you could breathe in it, and once you got that nailed, pretty straightforward. The girls liked it better than normal snorkeling gear because they could, I don't know, just didn't have to have their mouth biting on any of the, what is that called, that mouthpiece, and they're constantly messing with the tube, so there was a lot of advantages to it. We'll have to see how it holds up over extended use, but for a first go, pretty solid. It didn't fog up as much as the normal snorkeling experience. It feels like when I have normal snorkel, I'm just always battling with that fogging up. I had to take it off and have to clear it out, and so this was nice. I don't know if it's because it's got the channels on the outside that make it so that you can breathe a little bit easier, so it doesn't fog up so much. The other thing I noticed is that because it has this big, has a much bigger area, it felt like you had more of a viewable space. You could see more because Just had more screen space, but more mask space, so you could actually have a better views around you in the water.